In this video, I will show you how to create Google Tag Manager account for your WordPress website. First, you have to log in your Gmail account and your WordPress website. Then go to Google Tag Manager website. Now click on Create Account. Now enter your account name. Now select your country name. Now enter your website's link. Now click on Web. Then click on Create. Now scroll down and select the box and click on Yes. Now go to your WordPress website. Now click on Plugins. Then click on Add New Plugin. Now write here GTM. Now install this plugin. Now click on Activate. Now click on Settings. Now enter your Google Tag Manager ID. So go to your Google Tag Manager account and copy this code. Then paste here. Now click on Save Changes. Now click on Scroll Tracking and select the box. Now click on Integration and select the box. Then click on WooCommerce and select the box. Now select this box. Now scroll down then click on Save Changes. Now your Google Tag Manager account is created. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.